going on, everybody? This is Thrifty Pilot. Hey, hopefully everybody's staying safe and staying indoors and only leaving when they need to and all that other kind of good stuff. But thought I would share because this is absolutely amazing. No lie. All right, so let me see if I can capture this without light. See this side here? See how it glimmers and shines? Well, see down there? Yeah, that's not a camera trick. I wanted to show you the difference between all of that nastiness and all of this prettiness. I mean, literally, you can see the floor. It is slick. It is nice. Look at those. Look at that. Oh, you can actually tell the plane is blue. Outstanding. Probably going to gain 5,000 knots with this. But no, seriously, all of that is, it's not even a year's worth of dirt. It's just, seriously, I fly quite a bit and all this collects, you know, the oil and the fuel and who knows what else. You fly over some nasty factory and they're puffing whatnot, and you know, that all collects underneath your plane. So check that out. How am I doing it? Oh, I'm glad you asked. And this is the craziest part. You ready for it? Ba-bam! GOJO. Seriously, original formula. Get it off of Amazon. Let me see if I can find the link. If I can, you know, throw it in below. I know a lot of us aren't flying right now. Those who are flying aren't really doing anything too crazy. They're staying in vicinity usually of their airports. Now's the time. Like, do the maintenance on your plane, do the cleaning, do all of that type of jazz now, so when all of this stuff, you know, goes away or whatever, you're good to go. And this is one of the things that I've just been kind of putting off, you know. Major things first, right? But nobody thinks about this, but daggone, you know, seriously. And the cool thing about this is you can use it on the wing and just about anywhere else gunk is. This stuff is really, oh, where is it? There you go. Is really just kind of a formula for hands normally to get grease, grime, and all that other kind of jazz. It's not antibacterial or anything, but yeah, it's safe in the way of, you know, if you get it on your hands, it's what it's meant for. And it's good for planes too, and just about anything else. I mean, it won't damage it. I've done a bunch of research in this, trying to figure out, you know, the best cleaner, the easiest cleaner, and pretty much what I do is I take a microfiber cloth, put some of that stuff on there. It's just a white kind of viscous stuff, and just get it all over there. Nice little coat, just like you would wax or something to that effect. Give it a second or two. Doesn't really even take that much time. By the time you get to the end of the panel, you're ready to go. And then wipe it off. Very simple. And you can see my strategy here. I'm doing sections. I try to find, you know, either rivet points here, or, you know, try to keep it the same somewhat. That way, you know, just one section at a time. You don't want to do the whole plane, you know, all at once. That would, I mean, I guess you could, but hey, whatever. But that's what I do. My goodness, look at that shininess. Look, right next to all the grimy bits, and it's all gone. Oh, missed a spot there. Little spot there. I'll get that. But yeah, this GOJO stuff works pretty awesome, and you know, you're not scrubbing or anything. You're literally applying and then just kind of wiping it off. So get you a ton of microfiber cloths. You can wash them afterwards. And, you know, they're cheap enough. They come in packs of a bajillion for $1. And then the GOJO stuff down there. If I find the link, I'll throw it in there. If not, just search for it. I mean, you can find this stuff just about anywhere. But that's it for now. Hopefully this will help, and hopefully these videos will start popping up a little bit more. You know, just all depending on what's going on with the world. All right, stay safe.